My name is Seetharam. I'm currently a vice president of Exxon Nefty Gas Limited, which is a subsidiary of ExxonMobil, managing its upstream interests in Russia. I am a 1984 graduate of University of Houston, Cullen College of Engineering with a master's in chemical engineering. Following that, in 1987, I received a Ph.D. also in chemical engineering from the Cullen College. The engineering program laid a solid foundation for my 30-plus year career with ExxonMobil. The education that I received at U of H taught me how to think. It taught me how to analyze. It taught me how to break down problems, find solutions, and get ready for a competitive career out there in the real world. I'm just proud that I was able to compete and rise up in my 33 plus years of my career with ExxonMobil. I consider it to be one of the premium energy companies in the world. Coming in as an immigrant, coming in as a new engineer into a new country and competing, and to have achieved that, there's no question in my mind that I feel pretty proud of it. U of H gave me something even more important. That's where I met my wife, a fellow Cougar, and we've been together for 34 years. Our first dates were right there on the campus. And so there's a lot of fond memories of the campus for both Rani and me. More than my career, I have to say my biggest achievement is the fact that my wife and I raised a wonderful family over all these years. The biggest achievement is being a dad to two wonderful daughters. I wouldn't be where I am if it wasn't for the training, the role models, the mentorship, the foundation that I received in my 6-7 years at U of H. And so put all that together, we feel a sense of obligation. We feel like we ought to give back. We have to help other students achieve their dreams. And I hope I can truly say that I have made a difference in many young careers. Biggest learning for me is that as I understand the world better, as I get older and hopefully wiser, I come to the realization that the toughest problems in front of us right now cannot be solved without an engineer participating in them. We need engineers to convert ideas into reality. We need engineers to convert theories into practical solutions and sustainable solutions. So there's no question that the world needs engineers, and there's no question that Cougar engineers are going to be among the best to contribute to what we need to do to take care of the world's problems. I have to say that growing up in India in the 70s and 80s, you had a lot of parental pressure to be an engineer, a doctor, or a lawyer. Nothing else counted. So that was what pushed me into engineering, but it didn't take me long to realize that's it. That's what I want to be. I do want to be an engineer. I am an engineer in my mind. This is what I am designed to do, and this is what I enjoy doing. Receiving this Alumni Award, oh my gosh, I mean, this is an amazing honor, a sense of pride, no question about that, but a sense of humility too, to think that the college thought I was worthy of that honor. And when I look at all the past honorees, and when I think of all the future honorees, to say I belong in there, that's a very humbling thought. Most importantly, it cements my bonds to U of H, and it cements my bonds to the Cullen College of Engineering. It is so exciting to see the increasing respect and standing that U of H and Cullen College have in the community. It feels like we're finally getting the respect and recognition that we deserve. And I am super proud to be able to go out there and tell everybody I'm a Cougar. Go Cougs.